Come test drive the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.